It's a time for accumulation right now. We have seen it done from the all-time high it set in March 2021. Since then, it has lost more than 93% of its value. We know that's what all coins do in the bear market. Right now, Holo is currently at a very crucial support. Should we start buying right now in the bear market? Or should we wait for it to further dump to the downside? We'll be taking a look at Holo's performance against the US dollar. Holo performance against Bitcoin, it has been dumping really well against Bitcoin since it set its all-time high in April 2021. Holo is down more than 85% from the all-time high it set in April against Bitcoin. We'll also be looking at its performance against Ethereum, which is nothing to write home about. Since the all-time high is set in March 2021, it has lost more than 91% of its value against Ethereum. Is this the right time to start accumulating some Holo right now? Currently, it has a market cap of $380 million. We'll be taking a look at the Holo market cap chart, and we'll be coming out with our bear market thesis. Is it the best time to start accumulating, or should you wait for further downsides? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording of this video, we're having a mix in the crypto market. Some coins are up, some coins are down. But in the last 24 hours, Holo is up 0.2%. That's nothing to write home about. In the last 1 week, it's just up 6.1%. Even though we're having a bear market rally, even though all coins are popping to the upside, Holo is still down 16.1% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 year, it's down 78.4%. Now, the all coin season index is telling us that right now it's all season. And if all season is happening, it means the top 50 coins are outperforming Bitcoin in the last 90 days. Guys, this is good news. If you're holding any altcoin right now, that altcoin is supposed to be pumping. If it's not pumping, just like Holo, you have to ask yourself the hard questions. Is this the coin you want to be accumulating through the bear market? History has shown us that when the market is in easy mode, you want to be holding some Holo. This is what Holo did in the 2020-2021 bull run. From where it bottomed after the COVID sell-off in March 2020, guys, we saw it go up more than 9,400% in 371 days. So in approximately 1 year, we saw it rallied more than 90x. It meant if you invested $1,000 in Holo right here, guys, you got to cash out more than $90,000 at the top right here. But what was happening when Holo was pumping like that? The market was in easy mode. We saw Bitcoin going from as low as $4,000 to as high as $64,000. Right now, the market has been dumping. Even when Bitcoin went to set new all-time highs in November 2021, Holo couldn't get set to new all-time highs then. We just got to as high as $0.013, and that was just a retracement rally from the top we set in March 2021. But from that all-time high we set in March 2021, we have seen Holo dump more than 93%. And guys, this is not just peculiar to Holo. This is what all coins do in the bear market. After going up thousands of percentage points in the bull run, the bear market is a time for markdown, it's a time for consolidation. That's the time to start getting ready for the next bull run. And if you take a look at what Holo has done right here, it fell back into support. You can see that this red line I drew right here has been acting as support for Holo since when it was created in 2018. As we were pumping to new all-time highs in June 2018, we got stopped out of that region. After we got stopped out of that region, we had to consolidate again from June 2019. It took us more than 2 years for us to finally break out of that range. We went down, accumulated again, and we saw Holo pumping to new all-time highs. Right now, we're dumping the bear market and we've come back to test that crucial support level. So it's accumulation happening right here for Holo because, guys, if you take a look at the RSI is at the lower band, and history has shown us that anytime the RSI is at the lower band right here for Holo, this is a good time to accumulate. It doesn't mean it cannot dump further. We can have a dump just like we had in March 2020. A lot of us thought Holo would have bottomed out right here. All the signs to show that the bottom was flashing, and then boom, we had a really mad crash from February 2020 to March 2020. In 42 days, it lost more than 73% of its value. So with these all coins, never say never. They can still dump really low. If Holo is going to lose under 75% of its value, we might see it go to as low as 0.00059, which means from the all-time high, Holo would have been down more than 97% from the all-time high. And this is not bad. We've seen a lot of altcoins do this and come back in the next bull run and set new all-time highs. Guys, if you're holding these altcoins or if you're buying this altcoin right now, you want to be thinking long term. You don't want to be thinking of it pumping the next 1 week, 2 weeks. Guys, this kind of altcoins, you wait for when it pumps really hard, because you see when it pumps really hard, it gives you huge gain. Now let's take a look at what Holo has been doing against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. But before then, let's take a look at some technical details about Holo. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $0.016 and as low as $0.0018. It has a market cap of $379 million, a fully diluted market cap of $388 million, and we have over 361,000 people that have Holo on their watch list. It's currently ranked 99 on CoinMarketCap, and we have 173 billion tokens in circulation out of a maximum 177 billion tokens. Now, where can you get this altcoin if you want to buy it to hold through the bear market? Because Holo is a peer-to-peer decentralized platform for hosting decentralized applications built using the Holochain, a framework for developing DApps that do not require the use of blockchain technology. If you want to buy these altcoins, guys, you can buy it on Binance, on Gate.io, on Huobi Global, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Holo's performance against Bitcoin, when the market is pumping to new highs, it's performing well against Bitcoin, but when the market is dumping, it dumps really well. The rally we had in 2019 for Holo, it was launched right here. After the bull market of 2018, we had a rally. In the bear market, it took it more than 667% against Bitcoin in just 231 days. But after that rally came to an end, it started dumping really hard. And from that high it set in January 2019, it's lost more than 96% of its value, finally bottoming out on the 1st of February 2021 after being down 96% from the high it set in 2019. But guys, when it starts going, it goes really well to the upside, and we saw it pump in February 2021 till it finally topped in April 2021. It went up more than 2,900% in just 63 days. But with crypto and any asset class, anytime you see huge run-ups like this, you will expect some huge dumps, and that's exactly what has happened to Holo over the last 1 year. From topping in the 5th of April 2021, it has been dumping since then till it finally found its low, dropping more than 85% from the all-time high. Is this the time to start flipping your Bitcoin for some Holo? Because guys, history has shown us that through the bear market, all these altcoins will continue losing value against Bitcoin till we get to the ending phases of the next bull run. You can see that in the previous bear market for Holo, it dumped really hard. It lost 83% of its value. A lot of people thought the bottom was in. Then we had this retracement rally right here that Holo went up 65% against Bitcoin. But after that rally, it dumped again, losing another 83% of its value. So is history repeating itself? Are we going to see Holo start dumping from where we are right now? It has pumped another 65%, just like it did in the previous bear market. If history repeats itself, guys, we might see Holo setting a new all-time low. Anything that will take it down 86%, we will be coming back to the lowest we have ever seen it against Bitcoin, and that was a very good time to buy. So I'll be looking out for this Holo Bitcoin valuation chart. If we get to this lower end of the band, that will be a very good accumulation region. If we take a look at Holo's performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its performance against Bitcoin. When the market is pumping to the upside, you want to be holding Holo through that pump, but when the market is dumping, you want to protect yourself from the downside. So should we start accumulating some Holo right now? Is the dump over? The previous dump for Holo against Bitcoin started from the 21st of January 2019. It ended on the 1st of February 2021, more than 742 days, approximately 2 years before it finally found its bottom. Right now, we have been dumping since when we topped in April 2021. We have just been dumping for just 525 days. Do we require more time to dump? Maybe we'll finally find our bottom in 2023. Only time will tell right now, but history is showing us that maybe, just maybe, there's further downside for Holo. We might see it come back to test the lower end of this region, and that might be the all-time low. It has come there twice, and each time it has come there, it has proven to be a very good time to buy Holo. If history repeats itself, guys, I'll be loading up some Holo at this region. If we get there, I'll be selling my Ethereum for some Holo. If we take a look at Holo's market cap, is back to crucial support level, this $313 million level. This is where we got stopped out in the rally we had in 2019, and since then we couldn't pass that $313 million level. We had to grind through the bear market, even coming to as low as the $40 million level. But when the bull run came, when the market started pumping, we saw it pump to new all-time highs. The market cap went to as high as over $5 billion. Very crazy if you ask me. more than a 12,000% increase in just 385 days. But the market cap has been dumping since when the market top in April 2021 for Holo is down more than 93%. The market cap is down to as low as $379 million. Is this a very, very good accumulation region, or do we need to see the market cap get to as low as $191 million? Only time will tell right now. So guys, I want you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think this is a good time to start accumulating Holo through the bear market, or do you think this is the time to start selling, expecting lower prices? Or will you just be holding your Holo through the bear market, expecting higher prices in the start of the next bull run? Guys, I want you to drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.